SHE. She. She we use for girls. Okay. Very good, Sarah. Okay. Yes, good morning. Yes, Srinija. Come on, Srinija, read these words. First, Atta. AS. What is AS? Yes, good morning. Yes, good morning, children. Good morning, Riyasri. Good morning, Pranavi, Pravina, Kadambari. Very good morning. Yes, good morning, Ma. Good morning, Ilango. Yes. What is this AS? As. Okay, next. Hmm? At. Very good. Next. Am. கிடையாது. Am. Okay. Okay, next. A. N. A. N. An. Riyasri, mute yourself, Ma. I'll call one by one, okay? Okay, next. I-N. In. Very good. I-F. If. Next. I-S. Is. Very good. I-T. I-T. It. Well done. Next. T-H-E. The. Well done. Next is H-E. He. Very good. S-H-E. She. Very good. Well done, Master Nija. Thank you so much. Next is Adya Sharma. Adya. जल्दी बता, जल्दी बोलो. AS. Oh, what happened? क्या हुआ? Why? क्या हुआ आद्या? Where is Kitty? What happened? Okay, not in the mood. Okay, fine. No problem. Next is whom shall I ask? Kevin. Kevin. AS. What is AS? AS தான் என்னது AS? As. Very good. Mm. 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 At. Very good. அம்மா பார்க்காதீங்க, நீங்க தான் சொல்லணும். ஆனா சவுண்டா சவுண்டா? அப்ப எப்படி சொல்லணும்? ஆம். ஆம்.
இது பாரு, இங்க பாரு என்ன?
Past. An. Very good. Next. Iron.
Lion.
Lion. Lion, tiger. என்னது இது? Iron. What is IN?
N.
In. In. Okay. IF.
In.
IF ma. If.
திரும்ப
IF if.
N. Gift.
I உனக்கு if. ஓகேவா? Kevin. Okay, fine Kevin. நிமலன். டென்ஷன் படுத்திட்டான் இன்னைக்கு. ஓகே. கபாட். நிமலன்.
எஸ் மேம் சொல்லு.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? Ah?
Yes. Is.
Yes, is கரெக்டா தப்பா சொல்லிட்டியே. As. I don't know what happened to my children today. What, you all didn't have your breakfast? What is the problem with you today? Nimalan.
கரெக்டா சொல்லிருக்கீங்களே. படிச்சில்ல அப்புறம் என்ன? சொல்லு. அது என்னது?
ஆல்ரெடி கெவின் ஏற்கனவே டார்ச்சர் பண்ணியாச்சு. நீங்க வேற அடுத்து நிமலன். 80 80 at. Very good. Next. பாய் சொல்லிட்டு போறேன் நான் மேம் கிளாஸ் விட்டு.
ஒழுங்கா சொல்லு. முன்னாடி ஒழுங்கா சொல்லில. என்ன நம்மள சேட்ட பண்ணாம சொல்ற.
AM. Next. AN. And very good. Next. IN. In. Very good. Next.
If.
Super. Very good.
IT is.
அது என்னது?
IS.
IS is very good.
IT.
It very good.
THE. Girl.
The. THE the. Okay. HE.
HE. Boy. He.
HE is boy. HE he.
அது சென்டென்ஸ் இல்ல. இது மட்டும் சொல்லு.
HE.
அது என்னது?
HSE.
SHE. She. Very good. Thank you so much, Nimalan. Okay. Next is Kadambari.
Yes.
Kadambari. Come on.
Wait.
O. N.
ON.
On.
On. Very good. Next.
Yes.
As. Very good.
AT.
At. Very good. Am. Very good.
An.
And good.
AI.
AI. IN.
சொல்லு. IN.
In. Very good.
IF.
If. Very good.
IS
Mm.
is.
Good.
IT
Mm.
it.
Eat. Very good. Mm.
T H E the.
Good.
H E
Mm.
E.
Good. Mm.
S H E C.
Good. Very good. Thank you so much, Kadambari. Next is Nakshatra. Nakshatra.
சொல்லுங்க.
Ready, Nakshatra?
O N
Mm. O-N?
ON.
on
ம்.
Mm.
O N O.
On. Okay, good. Mm.
A S
Mm. Mm?
AS.
A-S? A-S? Ass. Ass. Okay? Good. Next. Mm.
ஓப்பன் சொல்லு.
Mm. 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 A. A. T.
என்னது இது?
A-T. A-T. Louder, ma. A-T. At. Very good. At. Next. A-M. Mm. A-M.
சவுண்டா சொல்லு.
Am. Yeah, good. Next. A-N. Mm. A-N.
சவுண்டா
An.
சொன்னா.
Very good. I can't hear you, ma. Little bit louder, okay? I-N. Mm.
சவுண்ட்.
In. Very good. I-N. In. Good.
நெக்ஸ்ட் அங்க பாரு. அது என்ன படி ஃபர்ஸ்ட்.
Mm. Very good. If. Very good. Next. Is. Very good. Is தான். Correct. Ja.
பாத்து.
I. I-T.
என்னது?
I-T. It. It. Next.
சொல்லு.
Okay. Next. T-H-E. The. Very good. Thank you so much, Nakshatra. Next is Shravanya. Shravanya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Shravanya. Tell me. H-E. Loud. He. He. S-H-E. She. S-H-E is not girl. S-H-E is she. Okay, we use for girls. She is a girl. Like that we use. Okay. Next. The. Very good. I-T.
ஃபாஸ்டா சொல்லுங்க.
Very good. I-S. I-F. Good. Next.
I T
அங்க பாரு
ஓஹோ.
என்ன லெட்டர்
I L
ஐ
I
என்
N I N
in
in. Good. Next. A N.
A N
Ah. A N.
An
An. Okay. A M.
A N am
Am. Good. A T.
A T
A T B. How will you get it? At. Okay. Next. A S.
A S as
As. Okay. O N.
O N O
On. Good. Next. Ilango. Ilango.
ரீட் பண்ணு
A no
O N.
O S
ஓஎஸ்
O N.
O N
Mm.
and
ஆன்
On. 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 Okay.
O in on
A S.
A S as
Good. A T.
மேம் பாரு மேம் பாரு
A T.
ஏடி
A D at
Good. A N.
A N no A N A M
A M.
ஏஎம் என்னது அலங்கோ
A M.
ஓ ஏஎம் என்னது
A M
ம்
am
Good. A N.
A N am
Very good. I N.
I N
ஐஎன் என்னது
I N
ஐனா என்ன சவுண்ட் வரும் என்ன சவுண்ட் வரும்
I N in.
சொல்லு மேம்
I N in.
இல்ல இன் சொல்லு
in
Very good. I F.
அங்க பாரு இல்லங்கோ நான் திட்டுவாங்க அங்க பாரு
I F.
ஐஎஸ்
I F if
Good. I S.
I S as
Oh, how it will come as? I sound is E, right? I S. Is. Is.
எஸ்
is
Okay. I T.
I T it
It. Okay. T H E.
the
The. Very good. H E.
he
Very good. S H E.
she
She. Well done, Mylungo. Okay, time up. We'll start the session. Rest of the children I'll ask tomorrow. Okay, children? Thank you. Join your hands and close your eyes, children, all of you. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Yes, Shravanya, Kidzi Anta. Kidzi Anta.
Kidyatam, you are with me, you are with me, you are my protection inside. You
You are the wings.
beneath my flight, you decide me, my protection inside. Thank you.
Today I pledge.
Today I pledge with all my mind. I share with you my protection inside.
Yes, very good. Good morning, children, all of you.
Morning.
Very good morning. Yes, very good morning. Very good morning to everyone. Stand up, all of you. We'll do the warm-up activity. Keep standing. Come on, stand up.
Come on,
clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Tiger! Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Elephant! Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Kangaroo! Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Crocodile! Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Eagle! Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Very good, children. Now I want all of you to go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance.
Attendance आ गया जल्दी आओ कम फास्ट here I am बोलना अच्छा फास्ट बोलो
Very good, Adya.
Here I am.
Very good, Mailango. Next. Very good, Nakshatra. Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Kevin.
Here I am.
Very good, Kevin. Riyasri. Riyasri.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Riyasri. Sarah.
say
Sarah.
Here I am.
Very good, Sarah. Pranavi.
Basic.
Very good. Pravina is very good. Srinija.
Here I am,
Srinija.
Melina, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Tilakar. Tilakar. Tilakar.
Yeah.
Tilakar.
Yeah,
Very good, Tilakar. Kadambari.
I am.
Kadambari.
Yeah, I am.
Very good, Kadambari. Shravanya.
Here I am.
Very good, Shravanya. Mokshita.
I am Vanilla, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Nimalan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. Adarsh. Adarsh. Very good, Adarsh. Yeah, Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Absent. Huh? Okay, children. Next is our concept time rhymes. You already know under a verb and over rhymes. So now next we'll see the concept. Okay. So yesterday, wonder what concept we learned. We learned about reptiles, amphibians, and all. Okay. Today we are going to learn about extinct animals. Okay. So what are the extinct animals? What do you mean by extinct animals? Extinct animals na another. Extinct animal means the animals they do not exist now. Okay, those animals they do not exist. Okay, they lived long ago, several millions of years ago, but now they do not exist. Okay, those animals are called as extinct animals. Okay, today we are going to see what are all the extinct animals. So far we learned marine animal, farm animal, wild animal, amphibian, reptile, all these we learned. Okay, today we are going to learn about extinct animals. Okay, extinct animals means those animals they do not exist. Okay, so first extinct animal that we are going to learn is dinosaur. Have you seen dinosaurs? Have you seen dinosaurs apart from movie? Have you seen dinosaur in
Ma'am, I
zoo
see
or park
dinosaur
anywhere?
too.
Dinosaur.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I like dinosaur.
You like dinosaur, very good. Dinosaurs you can see only in movies, children, but you can't see now. Okay, why? Because they do not exist. That's why they are known as extinct animals. Long ago, ரொம்ப வருஷம் முன்னாடி dinosaurs were there, but now they do not exist. They are not there. Okay, and there were many type of dinosaurs. In this picture itself, you can see one dinosaur eating the another dinosaur, and you can see in the sky flying dinosaurs also. So there were many type of dinosaurs. See here, can see a dinosaur with a long neck like giraffe, and then you can see a dinosaur here like rhinoceros. Yes, can you see here? Here you can see the horns here, and then here you can see a flying dinosaur like a bird. Yes, so there were many types of dinosaurs, and there were dinosaurs that lived in water also. Like how we have marine animals now, likewise there were dinosaurs that lived in water also. So dinosaurs they do not exist now, so they are known as extinct animals. And next is the mammoth. Mammoth. Okay, how does it look, children? How does this mammoth look? Can anyone tell me? How does it look like? எப்படி தெரியுது? Very good. It looks like an elephant, but it does. See here, it look like elephant, but it has many differences. Okay, see here, it has hair all over its body. Can you see? இவ்வளோ hair இருக்கு பாருங்க, but now elephant does hair have? No, it doesn't have hair. Okay, so this is mammoth that lived long ago. It was very huge. It had lot of hair on its body. Why? Because it lived in cold region, where this hair only protected it from the cold. Okay, and the tusk you can see the big tusk. Yes, elephant tusk. Can you see how big it is? Okay, they were very huge also. So this is mammoth. And next is dodo. Dodo is a bird. It is a huge bird and it is a flightless bird. What do you mean by flightless bird? Flightless bird na paraka mudiyadunu artham. They cannot fly. Why it cannot fly? Because it was very heavy. So it couldn't fly. So dodo was also there. Now it is an extinct animal. Dodo is a flightless bird. Okay. So there are three extinct animals. One is dodo. Second one is mammoth. And the third one is dinosaurs. See here, dinosaurs. So what are the three extinct animals? Come on, tell me children. What did you see now? What are the three extinct animals? Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs, mammoth, okay, dinosaurs, mammoth, dodo. Dinosaurs, mammoth, dodo. Okay, all of you take your worksheet. All of you take your worksheet. D72 CT, D71 CT will be your homework, children. There you have a dinosaur. You have to join the numbers and then you have to color it and then it. Okay, so that will be your homework. Today we are going to do D72 CT. Come on, take your worksheet D72 CT. Write today's date. Today's date is 12-10-2121. The day is Tuesday. What is this month, children? What month is this? What month? October. Very good. This is month of October. Come on, there are many type of dinosaurs here. You are going to match the same type of dinosaur this side. See here. Okay, see some dinosaurs are here, right? Same dinosaurs are given here. You are going to look into which dinosaur looks the same and you are going to match it. Come on, match it quickly. Let me see.
It's D72 CT.
Yeah, D72 CT.
Oh, I have a page like this.
Not that one, that is actually homework page. D72 CT. After D71, you have a coloring page, and then you have another page, WX worksheet, and then this one, this page.
Okay.
Is there a?
Let me
Is
check.
it there, Ilango's mom?
For me, it is showing like D72 CT.
No, that also we have. Here we have.
So
But before that sheet, you will have.
Okay.
You have Ilango's mom? No, what?
Checking, ma'am. I'm checking, ma'am.
Before that itself, you will have. Now you took one page, no? Before that page itself, you will have.
Okay, ma'am.
Finish, children. Finish? Okay. Now do the next worksheet, the same D72 CT, another dinosaur worksheet you have. In each row, you have to find out which dinosaur is different, children. In the dinosaur different arco, that you have to circle. Okay? Come on, slowly find it out. Parents, please don't help them. Let them sort it out. Each line, check in each line which dinosaur is different. See, in first row you have all those dark green color dinosaur, but only one dinosaur is different. Circle the different dinosaur. Yeah? Finished up. D72 CT, another page also.
Finished, ma'am.
Yeah.
Finished, ma'am.
Finish. All of you still who is doing that worksheet? Okay, next worksheet. Next worksheet is D74CT. D74CT, you have a mammoth here. You are going to help this mammoth reach on top of this mountain. Okay, draw the path for the mammoth like this. Draw the path. Show the path for the mammoth so that it can climb here. Mammoth. What animal is given in this page? What is the name of this extinct animal? Mammoth. Very good. Okay, now help the mammoth to reach on top of this mountain. Finish, Nitish. Very good. Yeah, very good. Yeah, very good, children. Next will be D75CT. Those who are finished, you take D75CT and circle the extinct animals alone. You have lot of animals in this page. You are going to circle only the extinct animals. What are all the extinct animals? Dodo, mammoth and dinosaur. But lion is not an extinct animal. Eagle is not an extinct animal. And this parakeet is also not an extinct animal. So see which is the extinct animal in this page and then you circle the extinct
Which page,
animal. D75CT. What are all the extinct animals given in that page? Come on, answer, children. What are all the extinct animals in that page? What will you circle? What will you circle? Dodo, very good. Dinosaur, very good, Adarsh. Mammoth, very good, Sarah. Mammoth, dodo, and dinosaur. Yes. It's finished. As parents take their maths notebook and then I want you to draw a big balloon like this and then write numbers from 41 to 50. You need not circle, they will circle. You just randomly write numbers from 41 to 50 inside that big balloon. Draw a big balloon and inside you write numbers from 41 to 50. Like this, randomly you write the numbers and give it to them. Finish?
Yes.
Once you finish doing it in the notebook, let me know so that we'll conduct the activity. Write today's date. Pranavi and Pravina, what are you playing with? Mute yourself.
Ma'am, for Pranavi and Pravina, I did it in the max note, ma'am.
Yeah, fine, ma. Thank you. Yes, finish. Let's start doing it. Still, who is drawing, writing?
Ma'am, थोड़ा round
Mute yourself, children. Okay, now the first number is 46. 46. 46, 46. First number is 46, 46. Do it in a math notebook, ma. Kevin. Why are you doing it in a slate? Kevin's mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is he doing in the slate?
No, ma'am, I thought you told me to do it.
No, in notebook actually.
Okay.
Okay, let him do it now. Afterwards, you just make in a notebook, write it in a notebook and give it to him.
Okay.
Okay. Next number is 41. 41. 41, 41. 41, 41. Now the next number 45. 45. 4, 5, 45. 45. The next number 4 to 42. 42. 4 to 42. Next is 49. 4, 9, 49. 49. Finish? Next number is 50. 50, 50. 50, 50. Next number is 43. 43. 43. 4, 3, 43. Next is 47. 4, 7, 47. 4, 7, 47. Next is 44. 4, 4, 44. 4, 4, 44. Next is 48. 4, 8, 48. 4, 8, 48.
My county.
Finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Riyasri. Yes, very
Yeah.
good, Mokshita. Very good, Srinija. Very good, Kadambari. Very good, Ilango. Very good, Nimalan. Very good, Stravanya. Adya Sharma. Yes, very good, Adya. Well done.
Ma'am, Pranavi,
Okay,
Pravina, please,
now,
ma'am.
yeah, very good, Pranavi and Pravina. Parents, I want you to give them star or smiley or very good, ice cream, whatever they want, give them in their notebook. Yes. Yes, after getting that, I'm going to show you some dinosaurs today. Okay? Yes, can you see here? Allosaurus, run. Now it's going to run. Here, is it running? Allosaurus. Now it's going to attack. Oh, see here how it is attacking? See here. Allosaurus. Okay, next dinosaur is.
Ma'am, we should draw the diagram and scan that.
No, ma, this is a imaginary kit you will have inside that.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am, but I have the doubt in we should draw the A4 sheet, the dinosaurs, and we
No,
should
no,
scan
no.
that.
The cards will be there inside. You need not do it. Okay? We'll ask you to do one day. At that time, if you do, if it is enough.
Oh.
Okay, now this is Parasaurolophus. Okay? Now it is going to run. Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus. Okay? Now it's going to attack. See here how it is attacking. Oh my god, it is running on my laptop. How will I take class from tomorrow? Ah, the laptop is going to break. Okay, now next dinosaur, okay? The next dinosaur is Triceratops. See here how big it is. It has two horns and a crest on top of the head. Can you see? Now it is going to run. See here, running over my laptop. Hmm. Yes. Now it is going to attack. Let's see how it is attacking. Oh. Which will attack like this, children? Can you remember? What will attack like this? Cow. Cow has two horns. Cow will attack like this, right? See here, it is also attacking in the same way. Oh, see here. It's too scary, right? Okay, next dinosaur. Next is a flying dinosaur. Here. See, it is going to fly. Where is it? Yeah. Oh my God. Now how it is attacking? Oh my God, it is attacking with its beak. See here. It is a bird, right? It has beak. Now it is going to attack. Again, run. Yeah. That's it. Did you all enjoy it, children? Was it nice? Yes or no?
Yes.
No, why you didn't enjoy it?
Oh,
Oh, darling. Okay. Now tell me. Now tell me what type of animals are dinosaurs, mammoth, and dodo? What type of animals are they? They are. They are extinct animals. Very good. They are extinct animals. Okay. Now all of you take worksheet number. Yeah. Now today next we are going to see a story, children. Okay. The thirsty crow story. For that I want you to take one. Take worksheet number D74 ERP. Take D74 ERP worksheet. D74 ERP worksheet. Okay, this is the Thirsty Crow story, children. Thirsty Crow. The name of the story is Thirsty Crow. Yes, I don't know how many of you know this story. Today we'll see Thirsty Crow story. Okay, so first there was a crow and it was a sunny day. You can see how hot it is. It was a sunny day. Okay, it was very hot and the crow was very thirsty. If it is very hot, how you will feel? ரொம்ப ஹாட்டா இருந்ததுன்னா how will you feel? You will feel like drinking water, right? That is thirst. Thirsty-னா என்னது? தண்ணி குடிக்கணும் போல இருந்துச்சு. So how the crow felt was, it was very, very thirsty. So it wanted to drink some water. Why it wanted to drink some water? Why? Because it was very hot and the crow was very, very thirsty. Okay? Okay. It was very thirsty, right? So it searched for water here and there. And see how it is flying, the second step here. It is flying around a village. It was looking for water here and there. And see here, at last it found a pot here. And it thought in the pot there is some water. We'll go and drink the water. Potல தண்ணி இருக்கும் நம்ம போய் குடிக்கலாம் அப்படின்ட்டு it saw a pot here. And then it looked inside the pot. You can see here, the crow is looking inside the pot. The fourth picture. It is looking inside the pot, but what happened? There was only little water. தண்ணியே இல்ல கொஞ்சமா தான் இருந்துச்சு தண்ணி. That too it was below, under. Okay, so there was only little water. It couldn't reach the water. So what it thought? It thought of an idea and it looked around. It saw some pebbles on the ground. Can you see the pebbles here, children? See here, grey color pebbles here. See here, this is the pebbles. It saw some pebbles on the ground and it took the pebbles one by one and dropped inside the pot. As it dropped the pebbles one by one inside the pot, the water came up. And the crow drank the water and flew away happily. Pebbles எடுத்து ஒன்று ஒன்றா பாட்டுக்குள்ளே போட்டுச்சு. போட்ட உடனே என்னாச்சு? Water came up. Okay, the water came up and the crow drank the water. It was very thirsty and it wanted some water to drink, right? It drank the water and flew away very happily. Okay, so the first step is it was very sunny day. And second, the crow, it flew around looking for water. Third, it saw a pot. Fourth, but there was only little water inside the pot. So the crow thought of an idea. It saw some pebbles near the pot. So it picked the pebbles one by one and dropped inside the pot. As it dropped inside the pot, the water came up. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. Now I want all of you to sequence this, children. One by one, number 1, number 2, number 3, like that. Sequence it, come on. Like how I have done, have to sequence it. First step is, it's a sunny day, number 1. Number 2 is, it searched for water here and there. Fifth one, it saw a pot. Fourth one, but there was only little water inside the pot. So what it did, it saw some pebbles near the pot, fifth one, and it picked the pebbles one by one and dropped inside the pot. The water came up, sixth one, and the crow drank the water and flew away happily. Yes, did you all number it, children? In 6 steps, you can say a story, children. Okay, this is sequencing, and within 6 steps, you can narrate the whole story. So after the school reopens, there will be one session in which you will have to narrate this story, children. We'll tell you at what time you have to do. Okay, and that's it for today. Have you all numbered it? Yes, homework is D71CT. Don't forget to do is, nowadays I'm getting only very few responses from children. Many of you are not sending your homeworks. If you are not sending, you only will get less practice in writing. For your good only, we are giving you homework. Okay, only when you write, you will get more and more practice in writing, and you will write fast also. Okay, so kindly finish the homework and send it, children. Okay, thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. And who are all going to participate tomorrow? Can you please tell me your names one more time? Mokshita.
Ma'am, Pranavi singing, ma'am.
Pranavi or Pravina?
Pranavi Pravina.
Why both of them singing? What's the radla?
Okay, ma'am. Pranavi is singing and Pravina is dancing.
Okay, singing, dance. Okay, Mokshita, dance. Then? Yes? Kadambari, singing and dancing, both. Very good. Then Shravanya? Okay. Both are okay. Tilakar, dance, okay. Yeah, dance. Who is going to sing? Srinija. Srinija singing. Then Adya Sharma, nothing?
He also wants to dance, ma'am.
Nimalan, okay. Already he is in speech, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, speech and dance, okay. Adya? Adya, nothing, why Adya?
I'm not sure she will be joining tomorrow.
Not sure. Okay, fine, no problem. If it is possible, kindly join, okay? And if she is willing to dance also, let her dance. You can play any song. Let her dance. Okay, next, Nakshatra, nothing, Yeah, I have noted down your name, Mokshita. Nakshatra, nothing? Nakshatra is not going to dance or sing anything?
Dance. Singing.
What is your favorite song, Nakshatra? What is your favorite song?
Favorite song.
என்ன song ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் நட்சத்திராக்கு? Sorry? என்ன பாட பிடிக்கும்? Which song you like to dance? பிடிக்காதா? Okay, fine. Singing? Singing? Also, see, your friends are all going to participate. You are not going to participate?
Singing, okay.
Ma'am, either we practice a song or a dance, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you so much, children. I have noted down your names. Thank you for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. I'll be expecting all your performances. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Yes, bye. Yes, bye. Thank you, children. Yes, bye. Bye. Yes, bye, ma. பாய் அண்ட் தேங்க்யூ.
மேம் எனக்கு புரியல மேம். அந்த டிஸ்னி இமேஜினை வந்துட்டு எப்படி மேம் அது யூஸ் பண்ணணும்?
ஆக்சுவலா நாங்க வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஒரு இமேஜினி கிட்டு கொடுத்துருக்கோம். ஓகேவா? கிட்டு இல்லைன்னா கிட்டு